Wounded journalist Nasrullah Gadani dies at Karachi hospital. Karachi/SUKKUR, journalist Nasrullah Gadani, who was shot at and wounded by armed assailants in Mirpur Mathelo a couple of days ago, died at a private hospital in Karachi on Friday. 40-year-old Gadani, who was associated with Sindhi language daily Awami Awaz, was initially treated at a hospital in Rahim Yar Khan, from where he was airlifted to Karachi for further treatment. The body was transported to his hometown in an ambulance. From Karachi to Mirpur Mathelo, a large number of people from every segment of society, including students, stopped the ambulance at different places and showered it with rose petals in order to pay their respects to the slain journalist. The body was brought to the Civil Hospital Ghotki, where doctors conducted a post-mortem examination. Later, the body was handed over to the family after completion of medico-legal formalities. Thousands attend slain reporter's funeral in his native village Kabul. Gadani, media bodies demand killer's arrest. Death of the journalists and vowed to bring the killers to justice. The Mutahida Qawmi Movement Pakistan, Sindh United Party, Sindh Taraqi Pasand Party Chairman Dr. Qadir Magsi, J. Sindh Mahaz, R. Chairman Riaz Ali Chandio, J. Sindh Qawmi Mahaz, B. Chairman Sanan Qureshi, Sindhi Association of North America, SANA, paid rich tribute to the slain journalist. Terming the murder an attack on Sindh's conscience, they demanded that the government arrest his killers immediately. Murder probe underway. Dig SUKKUR Pir Muhammad Shah told Dawn that Gadani was riding a motorcycle when armed pillion riders targeted him in Mirpur Mathelo in broad daylight on May 21. He said that investigators had collected spent bullet casings fired from 9mm pistols and sent the same to a forensic lab to know whether the same weapon was used in any previous crimes. "We are investigating the case with different angles, including the journalist's social media activism, personal enmity, and political affiliation," the Dig said. He said the victim's social media activism and different comments had been accessed by the investigators, while his call data record had also been analyzed. "We have got some clues and are working to unearth the identity and motive of the killers," he added.
घणन के असां बे ओ घणन के असां बे